Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add animations to text in Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do once you have your project open is add the text that you want to add the animation to. Once you've added that, what you need to do after that is click on the text to actually select it, and you want to select the text box. You can select the text itself as well by highlighting it, by clicking again, but just selecting the text box is perfectly enough. Up on the toolbar, then you'll see the animate button, and you just want to click that, and from here you can choose the animations you want to add to the actual text. You can turn on show on click just to make sure that the animation is played when you click the actual button and actually create or move to that slide or to that piece of text, and then you can add whichever animations you want. You can add a rise, fade, pop, pretty much any animation that is here. You can add pretty much whichever you want, but yeah, let's say for example this one, you just click on that, and now that animation will be added. And if I go into present and present across my entire screen, as you can see, it plays whenever I click on when I actually present the slide, and when I click off it, it'll play the animation itself. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.